Little Bron, let me see that grill, bro. Bronson lost 3 teeth in 1 week.
I lost 3.
Jeez.
And then I got $4 for 3 teeth.
$4, 3 teeth. That's a deal. What are you doing, buddy? Are you reading your paper? You don't like the article? Okay. So we've got to wait for mom and sister, and then we're going to the Ladybird Johnson, a wildflower thingy.
Wait, what?
Center.
No.
Dude, it's live. It's the latest Ladybird Wildflower Center in the world. We made it.
We made it.
Mama's favorite.
She never been here.
Oh, we've been here before. We went to this last year, I think, or 2 years ago.
Oh yeah, we went in there.
It's gonna be hot though. Google, what's the temperature?
Guys, last time, guys.
Come on, guys. Let's keep going. What are you having now? Smarty pants?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Come on, Cuckoo. Let's go see some flowers, okay?
Yeah.
The flower
I can't buy them.
Wildflower Center. Okay, let's go.
I wish I had bought one of those wagons and brought. We wouldn't have to walk in the hot.
Bro, sometimes you just gotta walk, get some exercise, walk off all that sugar that you got. Huh, sister? Yep. Looks like it's gonna be a hot one. We have to just lick real quick and then head home. It's warm. It's only 97. It's not a slight breeze, right, Mom? Mom, don't go that way. So this is what, Mom? The Ladybird Lake? Ladybird Day is what it is. You need to cool off? What?
Yeah.
This is like a Buddhist temple.
Can we go in the cave, Dad? Mom,
Is there a cave?
Yeah.
Sister, you see a cave? Where?
Hey!
Who's down there?
Hey!
Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh. Oh. Look how high we are, sister. High in the sky. Ouch. Just got stung by a Turk's head cactus. Look, a little nipple cactus.
I want to go down now. We're going underground now.
Okay. This is not a very big stairway, is it?
I've never been underground. Have you, Dad?
No. My legs hurt already. I'm climbing up here. Be careful. Watch your step. Where'd Mom go? How do you get over here?
She going down here.
Well, what's this way?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. This is like a secret passage, sister. Can you believe it's a secret passage? Wow. Back into the sun. Wait, what happened? We were going into the shade. Mom? She didn't go up there because there's stairs. It's a trash can. Mom? Maybe she went this way. How pretty this is.
What if we get lost in here?
What if we don't? No, where's? Wow.
Right there.
Oh, butterflies. Look at this big bumblebee, look. Whoa. That's awesome.
I like bumblebees.
You don't? So pretty. How pretty it is.
Oh, yo.
Oh, it is a bumblebee. Mom! Mom? Mom? Mom?
Mom?
Mama?
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 Oh, Mama is. I think she went that way.
I hope so, because it's going to be a long walk back if not. I don't know that she'd come this far.
Yeah.
She may be up in the cafe. What do you think, sister? You think Mom came this far?
Yeah.
There's a lot of cool stuff over here. Let's use clues to try to find Mom. Does Mom like windmills?
Yeah.
There's a windmill. Look. It's over there. Mom?
Mom?
Mom, if you're watching this, we love you. We can't find you. We looked for you, but we had to go, Mom. We had to adventure off into the wild wilderness center. Will Daddy go with you? Come on. There's 1 step and 2 steps. two. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, sister. Look at the cave. Mom? Mom? I can't find Mom back here. I can't find Mom.
Mom went this way.
Mom, are you back there, Mom? Mom? You did it! Let's go look for Mom again. Maybe she's stuck in the frog garden, sister.
Feels like we've been traveling.
We've lost Mom. It's so hot out here. Maybe this frog, let's go ask this frog if he knows where Mom's at. Tell me if you see a frog, okay? See if we see a magic frog. Oh, go ask Magic Frog if we know where Mom's at. Hey, Magic Frog, rub his head.
Magic Frog, do you know where Mom is?
Yeah, she's somewhere. Okay, thanks, Magic Frog. We have looked near and far for you, Mom, yet we have not found you. I feel defeated. It's getting hot. We need to hydrate, guys. Mom, if you're out there, we're gonna find you. We will find you. Stay put.
Why do they always get me?
Okay. Oop. You woke up a sweat?
Yeah.
Looking for Mom. You hydrated? Are you ready to go find Mom again? Okay. We've searched. Our legs hurt. We went all the way to the top of that. And Mom was not up there. Then we came down. We went all the way to the secret magic frog garden. We went into the cave, right? Went to the waterfall. We still couldn't find Mom, right, sister?
Then we checked this part of it, not Mom. She has to be in the cafe.
Mom, if we find you in the cafe having root beers, it's gonna be on.
It's not in here.
Thank you.
Guys.
Alright, where else can Mom be? She's not in the cafe.
Dad has no money. We just have a camera and water. That's all we have.
No money. I'm broke. And a camera. Where else could she be? She's not outside. Mom is just not an outside type of heat woman. What about the gift shop? She likes buying stuff.
Oh, she does.
Let's go check the
I think she's breastfeeding. Store, she's in there. I think she's breastfeeding in the car.
She's probably breastfeeding?
In the car, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Look.
Whoa, maybe she's in this children's house, sister. Look.
Let's go. Presley, look.
Whoa, go on. That is so cool. Is she in there? Is Mom in there?
Can you say bye? Once upon a time, there was this little owl. His name was Quincy. And he was a little birdie. And he was treating all the guys. The end.
What is it?
Baby eggs.
There's little eggs, aren't there?
Ladybugs.
Huh? A ladybug?
Are they real ladybugs? No.
Why not? Don't bang on it.
They were all best friends. They were so happy. And then heads on this thing.
Let's check the store. It's not a thrift store, but she may be in here still.
Right here.
Where?
Right there. We've been looking for you everywhere.
You wake up, Papa, at the Wildflower Center. It's so hot, babe. We looked everywhere for you.
I feel like this is soft. Think she'd like that?
We need to talk about you going away from the clan.
We all went upstairs. I can't go upstars with a stroller.
And my legs hurt. I'm about to
Y'all, like, we're up there for like 40 minutes.
I'm really hot. And Mom.
This would be cool for your office. I always think that.
Yeah, really cool for Mom.
Ring the bell.
Yeah, if you'd come every time I'd ring a bell and bring me some drinks.
And she could go in her garden.
like these bugs. These are cool.
I'm over here.
Whoa, never mind.
65% off.
I don't know that. Let's ask Google.
That's good.
What's 65% off of 162?
The answer is 56.7.
Sting!
What is that?
A jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Uh-oh. Oh, look at that.
What does it say?
Solar dough, bro.
Can we open this? Mom, can I have this solar dough?
I have help, yes.
What do you think about me going to the house?
You can go.
Huh?
You can go. Yeah, you know. Oh, well, maybe it isn't.
What's it doing?
Oh, it isn't.
Is it recording us? What's it doing?
It kind of records and plays it back.
Hello, Presley.
Hello, Presley. Hello, Presley. Hey, Jetson.
This is whose Wildflower center this is. Lady Bird Johnson. Isn't that cool?
That's it.
Mom wants the table. That's cute. Oh, and a root beer on it too, Mom. Should get that root beer. Let's go home. I'm done.
And we'll regroup on what we're doing for the rest of the day.
Do what?
He has no hair to protect his scalp from the sun.
Yeah, he does. He has more hair than I do.
That's nothing. This helps him.
Look at him. Look at him. He's so... Oh, buddy. Look at these guys.
Go
Y'all
tiger.
pooped? Wildflower Center rocks.
Headbutt.
High five.
Bobby. Hey, Bobby. Hey, Bobby. Hey, Bobby. 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 Wake up. Come on, Bobby. Let's go for a nap, Bobby.
So we should have named you Barbie. It's cute.
Instead of Stinky. That's what we named you, Stinky.
No.
Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. Bye, bud.
We need to name me Bobby.
Who? Name Bobby? Barbie? That's
Name
Bobby.
me Bobby.
I call you Bobby.
She can do that.
Oh, we're out.
Name it.
There goes Mom in her secret place. Doesn't want nobody to know where she gets all her good deals at. Okay, we are gonna go find Mom. Mom goes to these cool flea markets and estate sales.
Cool. Last
They're
time we
pretty cool.
came here, I had a migraine just because I saw it.
Guys. So we found this fish place. I don't know if it's open or not.
We don't know, guys.
We're gonna go check out the fish place next to
Yeah.
Mom's secret spot, but we're gonna go sneak up on her because she doesn't want anybody to know. She doesn't want me to film it because she doesn't want people to know where she gets cool stuff in Austin. But I think it's important to share cool places in Austin. Dude, it looks like you just have a head. Are you wearing all black, bro?
Yeah.
Killing it. What's up, sis?
And baby brother's so sweet, so we had to get baby brother with Mom.
Yeah. Let's go find Mom.
Let's go. So guys, I'm vlogging now. Yeah, Dad gave it to me. So yeah. Let's do it. Mom's gonna be so mad.
My little buddy, he's hiding behind there. But it's really sunny and we don't have a very good something. Let's try to sneak up on her, okay? Look at this cool place.
We're going to a fish place.
Oh, okay. Where's Daddy?
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
Found you.
Hey.
We're taking him.
Can I put this
Your
underneath?
spot is up. It's really hot for this little guy.
Yeah.
Lots of glass. The glass man.
How are you guys today?
Good.
Good. Are you hot?
Oh yeah. This is Indiana cupboard, bro.
I want to have that.
You want that for your room? Bingo. La ropa y más.
What do I do with it?
You want it or not?
Yeah, but I don't want to get my kitty wet.
I don't know.
Hey guys. What is that?
That is a World War II era Navy diving suit.
Whoa, that is cool.
Would you jump into the water with that one?
Heck no.
Navy photos is World War I, the other one's World War II. And then that is probably Spanish-American War era.
This guy here?
Yeah, because that would have been, that's a hand-drawn
Oh yeah, that, yeah.
portrait. And
What are you selling them for?
the prices vary. So
Okay, like this one?
that one, I would ask 100 on it.
Wow,
And
yeah.
then, you know.
100, babe. What do you think about that price?
She is beautiful.
What's your budget for this place?
I don't give that away.
Come on, Bob. We're going. We're going, Mom.
Hey, I love y'all.
Love you.
Stand for that.
Oh, that's good.
It is open. Tropical Fish Saltwater Ponds Austin Aqua Dome. Whoa. Don't touch the glass. Whoa. These are beautiful.
It's Marlin and Nemo.
Whoa.
This is Marlin.
His dad. Nemo's dad, right?
Hi, Marlin. I see her mom.
Oh.
Right there, I see her mom.
Oh.
The baby, little baby.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's beautiful.
Let it get ready for a bit. This way, you guys.
Look at the anemones.
What are they?
Anemones?
Which one is it? What's an anemone? What's an anemone?
Look at the fish watcher.
Wow.
Look at the daddy one. It's a rat shark.
It is?
Yeah, it's a rat shark. I see those are rat sharks.
A rat shark?
Yeah. Look, dude, that's the rainbow fish.
It is?
Yeah. Oh my, small jellyfish.
What? It's beautiful here.
Suckerfish. They go on sharks on their belly and then they just suck on their bellies and then just take a ride.
Oh, that's cool. Another Nemo? What is that?
One thing I will.
Is it a tadpole?
Wait, that's a tadpole.
Is it?
Yeah.
What are tadpoles?
We just got these in.
You don't know what tadpoles are?
No, what are they?
The one thing I'm just gonna.
What is
You're
it?
gonna turn, that one's almost done turning into a frog.
Tadpoles turn into frogs?
Yes.
That's cool.
Look upstairs, Presley.
But it's gonna.
Oh, there's a fish. Look at these fish.
Wow, look at how pretty this one is.
Well, that's where the cool fish are. Angel fish.
Seahorse. Seahorse.
Awesome.
A baby one and a daddy one.
That is cool.
Come here, look, there's a blue. It's Jetson.
Oh, look at that little guy. His red eye.
Can we touch it?
Nope.
Why?
Thanks for asking though. It's very special water. They use a lot of stuff to keep these guys alive. These things are living organisms.
Look, I see a bulldog fish.
Oh wow, maybe it's a shark. This place is really cool. There's so many fish everywhere. Now I want a fish tank.
Whoa.
Oh, is that a shrimp? Look how pretty that red shrimp is. Oh, that's cool.
Even a pokey over there.
Look at that. What is that, a clam?
Excuse me.
Sorry. He likes you.
Me?
Go fish.
He hates me.
Right here, son. See it? Look.
No.
Look. Careful, sister may jump out and get you.
I don't like to see the heel.
Don't.
It would jump at me.
Fight. Oh my goodness, sister. He tried to get you. That's so cool. Say hi.
Bye. Bye. Bye, buddy.
Thank you.
Really cool stuff. My mom. That was really cool. This place is called, bless you, bud. Come on, guys. Bless you. Bless you, bless you, bless you. This is called the Tropical Fish Saltwater Ponds Austin Aquadome. Really cool place. You gotta check it out. Yeah, I think whenever we're ready to get a aquarium started, this is gonna be the place that we come to. Look at that puppy. Huh, squirrel. Okay, we gotta find Mom, see how much damage she's done. What is this? Sister, what is this guy? It's a feral hog. $395. Not for me.
Are you a baby?
I wonder if it's our baby. Hi. It is our baby. We found you, Mom.
Let's go back outside.
We found some really cool fish.
Yeah, we're gonna get a pet fish one day.
Cool.
A whole aquarium. And a stingray. Saw a stingray.
Things out there.
And a stingray.
What? Why?
Because I need it.
Why do you need that?
Because I need to hang things. I can put my little things on shelves.
This one is ours? You gotta fit that in the car? Get down. Get down. Get down. What are you doing? Throwing up, bro? A what? Urn?
Yep.
Awesome.
Got it. Thank you. There you go.
Fresh
you, son.
squeezed
Thank you.
lemonade. Thank you. You're welcome.
So
You
refreshing.
want to try some?
Thank you. Hey, here we go. Hi, Bubba's. Hi, Bubba's. Is it hot? He's so funny. He's so funny. He's so silly. You like that? The owners of Common Objects, we shared lunch with them. Very hospitable people. Thank you for having us. Thanks for selling my wife some stuff we absolutely need. And are we gonna come back next month?
Yeah.
We'll see y'all next month at Common Objects. Uncommon Objects? Uncommon Objects. But Mom doesn't want anyone to know about this place.
Uncommon Flea.
The Uncommon Flea in Austin. Oh man, watch out, suckers!